Hello and welcome to Easy Way to Learn Hindi. Today we will see relation in Hindi. Please keep in mind in Indian society relation play an important role and Indian have a specific name for each relation. Relation is sambandh. Sambandh. Relative is sambandhi. Sambandhi. Grandmother is dadi. Dadi. Grandfather is dada. Dada. Maternal grandfather is nana. Nana. Maternal grandmother is nani. Nani. Uncle is cha. Cha. Aunt is chachi. Chachi. Aunt, who is mother's sister, is mausi. Mausi. Maternal aunt is mami. Mami. Maternal uncle is mama. Mama. Mother is mata or ma. Mother is mata or ma. Father is pita. Father is pita. Son is beta or putra. Son is beta or putra. Daughter is beti or putri. Daughter is beti or putri. Husband is pati. Husband is pati. Wife is patni. Wife is patni. Daughter-in-law is bahu. Daughter-in-law is bahu. Son-in-law is damad. Damad. Brother-in-law is behnoi. Behnoi or जीजा. जीजा. Brother-in-law is sala when he is brother of your wife. Brother-in-law is devar when he is husband's younger brother. Brother-in-law is jeth when he is husband or wife's older brother. Sister-in-law is bhabi. Sister-in-law is devrani when she is husband's younger brother's wife. Sister-in-law is jethani when she is husband's older brother's wife. Sister-in-law is nanad when she is husband's younger sister. Mother-in-law is saas. Mother-in-law is saas. Father-in-law is sasur. Father-in-law. Brother is bhai. Brother is bhai. Sister is behan. Sister is behan. Nephew is bhanja. Nephew is bhanja. Brother is bhai. Brother is bhai. Sister is behan. Sister is behan. Nephew is bhanja. Nephew is bhanja. Nephew is bhanja. Nephew is bhanja. Nephew is bhatija when he is brother's son. Niece is bhanji. Niece is bhanji. Niece is bhatiji when she is brother's daughter. Stepfather is sautele pita. Stepmother is sauteli mata. Stepdaughter is sauteli beti. Stepsister is sauteli बहन. Stepson is sautela बेटा या पुत्र. Lover is premi. Friend is dost. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Easy Way to Learn Hindi. Thank you.